We have thousands of stocks in Nifty 50, NSE F&O, large caps, mid caps, and small caps. In this big list, how do you shortlist all the breakout stocks every day? Hey everyone, I'm Indrajit Chantraj. I'm a full-time trader, best-selling author. Today, I will explain how to shortlist all the breakout stocks from Nifty 50, NSE F&O, large caps, mid caps, and small caps in 2 minutes. Hello friends, in this video I will talk about a breakout screener which shortlist all the positional breakout stocks. But before I talk about the breakout screener, we want to know what is breakout. So basically this screener is depending upon the breakout system which I have explained in this book actually. So if you just search breakout trading in Amazon, you will get this book, breakout trading. So basically, I have explained the breakout trading system, in detail, starting from, the identification of the stocks, entry, stop loss, and how to trial the stop loss, exit, in pre-market conditions, and then the money management techniques. I have explained A to Z in this book. So the only issue I have faced, or many people faced is, there were so many stocks in NSE 50, NSE F1 category, NSE mid caps, large caps, small caps. So basically, traders didn't have the time to see all the stocks in all the segments and to find out only the breakout stocks. So that is why this breakout screener was very helpful. So before getting into the breakout screener, so if you don't know anything about breakout trading, you can buy the book, and then you will get an idea on how to use the breakout tool. Or else you can also visit my website called profiletraders.in, and you can check the blog. There is I have written a detailed article, on the breakout trading. If you go to blog, I will go to blog, and then I have written an article on breakout trading. You can see it is on the top itself. If you click on this, this article talks about the positional breakout system, and to manage everything. For example, starting from rules to trend lines and everything, it is there. Okay. So once you are familiar with this, then only you can use this breakout screener. So this is the breakout screener actually. But before this, I wanted to tell you one more thing. So, in my opinion, every trader, whether he is an intraday trader or a positional trader or scalper, I would say he should know, he should have the ability to differentiate a genuine breakout and false breakout. Do you know why? Because every entry and exit in any trade should come through a breakout or false breakout opportunity. I'll repeat, every entry and exit in any trade should come through a breakout or false breakout opportunity. That doesn't mean other trading techniques will not work. Okay, my explanation holds good only if you are looking for a best entry point and best exit point. Okay, so that is the thing. So now if you go to this breakout screener, so this is the breakout screener I'm talking about. Basically, what this screener does is, it will fetch the end of day data from NSE website, okay? And, the data will be available in NSE in between, 5 to 5:30 or 5:45. So you should run this particular, script, screener only after 6 p.m. on any trading day, okay? That is number one. And number two is this screener lists only positional breakout stocks, okay? And it will not list any intraday breakouts. So if you're looking for any intraday, breakouts, you can use Charting website. There are so many scanners are already available in Charting. Okay? That's number two. And number three, before using this screener, so what you can do is you can select this clear data, okay? So that if the script start running, you can see the progress, and if in case of any error also you can get it very immediately. So I'm going to select the clear data option. See, it cleared all the data. And I would say don't touch or don't delete any of these buttons or these data, okay? So this covers Nifty 50 stocks, Nifty F1 stocks, Nifty large caps, Nifty mid caps, as well as Nifty small caps as well. Okay. So once you select the clear data, so what you can do is you can give the date here, okay, in DD, YYYY format. So for example, today is 14. It is 10:48 a.m. So market is still going on, and yesterday it was market holiday due to Ramzan. So what I would do is I will go for 12th. For example, on 12th, if you're doing it on 12th, you should have you should do it only after 6 p.m. Okay. So now the market is running. So at 14th, today is 14th May. I can't run this script now because it is still 10:48 a.m. If I have to run the script today, I should run it only after 6 p.m. Hence, yesterday's market order, right? So I will go for 12. For example, if I have to give 12th May, so if I go here, see, so this 11th is the date, this 5 is the month actually. So if I give 12th, if you just enter, can you see 12th May 2021? It is saying very clearly, okay? So you should be very, very careful while mentioning the date, okay? So it should be in this format only. Then once I know the date is clear, you can select the start analysis option, okay? So it will start automatically, okay? By any chance, if you find data not available error here, okay? If you find data not available here, that means either the date is wrong, or there is an internet issue with your system, or there may be an issue with the NSE server. Okay. Apart from these three things, usually you will not get that error. Suppose, for example, if I select 13th May here, and if I select the start analysis option, I will get data not available error because yesterday there was a market holiday and NSE website will not have data for yesterday. Okay. So now time being, I will select on 12th May and I will select start analysis option. Okay. So can you say it is started analyzing all the stocks from Nifty 50 and to Nifty F1 stocks, large cap, mid cap, and small caps. So it will take approximately 1 minute to 2 minutes to shortlist all the breakout stocks from all the segments. I will explain how to use it just after a minute. And the most important thing is when the scripts are running, don't close this or don't select, the stop analysis option, nothing like that. Okay, don't do it. Okay, because this will corrupt the screener. I'll repeat once again. This is very important. When the scripts are running, don't close it or don't select stop analysis option because it will, corrupt the file. So just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will complete all the analysis. See, now it has completed scanning all the stocks which are available in Nifty 50, F1O, and small caps, mid caps. So it analyzed around 492 scripts and it has listed everything. So now the job is very easy. Okay, so this is not an 100% the scanner which lists only the breakout stocks, but still it reduces over 90% of the time. So it saves our over 90% of the time. So what we can do is, instead of analyzing each and every script, we can select this filter option. Now by default, everything will be there. You can unselect all and you can select only the breakout stocks. If you select breakout stocks, see, can you see it will list only the breakout stocks. It will tell the candle formation. It will also tell the volume part. Okay, so volume is good or low. So now, instead of analyzing all the stocks, around 492 stocks, you can analyze only these stocks. You can check the charts of these stocks, and then you can decide whether it is a breakout or not. For example, I will go one by one, Godrej CP. I will go here. I will check the chart. See, as per 12th May, this is this is 12th May. So there was it is a breakout stocks, it is a breakout stock with good volume. So whether you take a trade on the next day or not, that's a different story, but it is listing a breakout stock, isn't it? So in this way, it reduces our job. We'll see one more, for example, Birla Corporation. Birla Corporation. See, this is our 12th May. See, can you see this? This is a breakout stock actually. So there was this is a breakout stock actually. I mean, that's what it's saying. So now if you check, I don't know, KNRCON, KNRCON. Well, this is 12th May. This is not a perfect breakout stock, but still it is good actually. Can you see this or so like this? See, this is a not 100% perfect breakout stock, but still it reduces our effort from searching 492 stocks to only 5 6 stocks. So if you get convinced with this as a breakout stock, you can take it, and otherwise you can always avoid it. And for example, Tasty Bite, volume is low in Tasty Bite, so there is no need to consider. We'll check for Venky's. Yeah, limited. See, so on 12th May, it is a breakout. So this is the price action is not very smooth here. So in this way, it will not, it might miss, I mean, it might include one or two, these kind of stocks, the price action is not smooth, but it will not miss even a single genuine breakout. Okay, it will list, it will be there. So instead of searching that 492 stocks, so what you can do is you can select, you can watch and observe only the stocks which are listed here, and then you can verify it and chart. And if you get convinced as per this as per this breakout trading system, then only you can take the trade. Otherwise you can move on. So this is how we can use this breakout screener as per our requirement. So I'm going to unselect everything now. So it lists everything. So the beauty of this thing is it also lists the breakout candle which has a big selling wick. Okay, so usually we don't select this, but I'm just saying for reference. It will list only the candles which have big selling wick. Okay, so the green candle. There are so many other options as well, but I would say you can use it only to shortlist the breakout stocks. These are the only breakout stocks I know on 12th May. So in this way, you can use this breakout stocks. So if you have any doubt or if you get any issues, you can send an email to Indrajit, INDRA at profiletraders.in. You can send an email to this email. So thank you, friends. This way you can use it.